Hi friends, let's learn colors. Are you ready? Let's go! Red. This is red. Red apple. Blue. This is blue. Blue ball. Yellow. This is yellow. Yellow sun. Green. This is green. Green frog. Orange. This is orange. Orange carrot. Purple. This is purple. Purple grapes. Pink. This is pink. Pink flower. Black. This is black. Black cat. White. This is white. White cloud. Brown. This is brown. Brown bear. Quiz time! What color is this?
3, 2, 1.
It's yellow. Great job! Gray. This is gray. Gray elephant. Gold. This is gold. Gold star. Silver. This is silver. Silver bell. Beige. This is beige. Beige teddy. Turquoise. This is turquoise. Turquoise fish. Navy. This is navy. Navy whale. Maroon. This is maroon. Maroon heart. Peach. This is peach. Peach butterfly. Lavender. This is lavender. Lavender bunny. Teal. This is teal. Teal turtle. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon. See you next time. Bye-bye.